Vegan with Terry. I'm Terry. I'm so glad you're here. Welcome back. Welcome if you are new. Today we're making a dessert. We're making caramel blondies, which are so yummy, so moist, so good for you. Let's get started. Okay, we're gonna start with making a date paste because this is gonna go on not just part of the frosting, it's also going to be part of what makes the blondies moist. We're going to start with 8 ounces of pitted dates. We're going to put these in a blender. 1 cup of milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla powder. Blend this until it's smooth. And I'm just going to smush this down to make sure everything is blended real nicely. That's what it looks like. I'm going to reserve 3/4 of a cup. I'm going to set it aside. So this will make our frosting later. I'm going to stick this in the refrigerator for right now and let it chill while I take the rest of the blondies. Okay, to make the brownie, we're going to use a food processor. We're going to take 2 white sweet potato flesh. Now this is just a plain old sweet potato. It's got the white flesh instead of the orange, which we typically think of when we hear the word sweet potato, but these are white flesh, so they make them look more blondie. They really up the fiber and nutritional value of these brownies. So I'm going to dump these in my food processor. 1.5 cups of rolled oats. 1/2 cup of millet. Millet is a grain. It's like a really teeny tiny little grain. This is ground up into a flour. I use my coffee grinder to just pulverize this into a flour. So there's 1/2 cup of that. 2 teaspoons of vanilla powder and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. The rest of the date paste. And then we have my dog's all-time favorite ingredient, bananas. So I'm gonna see if I can get these in the food processor without disturbing my dog. I don't think it's gonna work, do you? Yep, there he is. There you go, good boy. Yeah, and he's waiting for the rest. Say, Mommy, the rest of the banana. All right, that's enough for you. You've had enough banana, mister. Okay, and this may take a little bit to blend just because it's so full, but I am just going to get this going in the food processor and let it all blend together until it looks like brownie batter. Smooshing it down from time to time to get everything blended nicely. That's looking much better. Looks like brownie batter to me. I'm going to pour this into a lined brownie pan. If I didn't know, I would never have guessed that there was white sweet potato in this recipe. Spread it out evenly in your pan. This is going to serve 16. There you go. Okay, this is going to go into a 350-degree oven for about ½ hour. You can also let it go for 40 minutes if you prefer. Just depends on how moist you like your brownies. Then we'll get it frosted. Okay, the blondies have come out of the oven and I frosted them. These look so good. They smell so good. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe to be notified of future videos. Thank you. Have a great day, and may you know the love of Jesus Christ.